Imagine a classroom where textbooks gather dust, and students are immersed in building robots, crafting prototypes, and bringing wild ideas to life. Welcome to the era of hands-on learning and makerspaces, where education gets a turbocharged upgrade, and creativity knows no bounds. The maker movement, turning dreamers into doers. The traditional classroom setup, rows of desks, a chalkboard, and endless lectures, is being upended by the maker movement. Maker spaces are collaborative hubs filled with tools like 3D printers, laser cutters, and electronics kits, empowering students to transform theoretical concepts into tangible creations. It's like shop class on steroids, but with coding and robotics thrown into the mix. Why should you care? In a world where innovation is the currency of success, hands-on learning equips you with the skills to not just keep up but lead the charge. Engaging in maker spaces fosters critical thinking, problem-solving, and creativity, attributes that employers draw over. Plus, it's insanely fun to see your ideas leap off the page and into reality. Learning by doing, the ultimate brain hack. Studies show that active participation in learning significantly boosts retention and understanding. When you design a circuit, build a bridge, or code a game, you're not just memorizing facts, you're applying knowledge, testing hypotheses, and learning from real-time feedback. It's education in high definition. Maker spaces, the playground for innovators. Think of maker spaces as the Swiss Army knives of education, versatile, resourceful, and indispensable. These environments encourage experimentation without the fear of failure. Whether you're into engineering, art, or biotechnology, there's a place for you to tinker, create, and collaborate. Real-world skills, from classroom to career. Employers are on the lookout for candidates who can think outside the box and tackle challenges head-on. Hands-on projects in makerspaces mirror real-world scenarios, providing experience in project management, teamwork, and innovative problem-solving. It's like getting a sneak peek into your future career, minus the dress code. Creativity unleashed, no rules, just right. In maker spaces, the only limit is your imagination. Want to build a drone that delivers pizzas? Go for it. These spaces celebrate unconventional ideas and encourage you to pursue your passions, no matter how quirky. It's a judgment-free zone where innovation thrives. Community and collaboration, the power of we. Maker spaces are melting pots of diverse minds working together. Collaborating with peers from different backgrounds exposes you to new perspectives and ideas, enhancing your learning experience. Plus, networking with fellow makers can open doors to opportunities you never knew existed. Fail forward, embracing the F word. In traditional education, failure is often frowned upon. In maker spaces, it's a stepping stone to success. Each setback is a learning opportunity, teaching resilience and perseverance. It's about iterating, improving, and understanding that failure is not the opposite of success but a part of it. Access and inclusivity, everyone's invited. Maker spaces democratize education by providing access to resources that might otherwise be out of reach. Whether you're a seasoned coder or a newbie with a dream, these spaces welcome all skill levels, promoting inclusivity and equal opportunity for innovation. The future of education, hands-on, minds-on. As the educational landscape evolves, hands-on learning and maker spaces are at the forefront of this transformation. They prepare students not just to adapt to the future but to shape it. So, roll up your sleeves, unleash your creativity, and dive into the maker movement. The world is waiting for your innovations. In this brave new world of hands-on learning, the only limit is your imagination. Dive in and let your creativity lead the way.